If you step on this bullet, you become the target. Don't blink, don't breathe, because the ground is watching you. One silent step, and it wakes up. A bamboo floor, thin, fake, crack, your foot disappears. Below isn't a trap, it's a loaded bullet. Standing upright, waiting. Your weight presses down, metal meets nail. The primer screams, boom, the bullet fires straight up, from the earth itself. No gunshot echo, no enemy face, just silence again. This trap doesn't chase you, it lets you come to it.